I'm Vinay Kumar Pandey and working as a team manager analytics in Worldpanel division of Kantar. Uh, I have joined my this new esteemed organization in July 2021. And before this, I was working on contractual position as a data analyst, and before that, I was consultant to an IS officer. And from that journey, the analysis part was, part of my life. So in my previous organization, where lots of survey used to be conducted, and the analysis of those surveys has to be done, and then that survey, based on that analysis, policy decision was used to make. My boss used to take the decision based on those analysis. So I was doing analysis, but not in formal way. It was like I used to have Excel and a few tools, Power BI, where I had some knowledge, and with that knowledge, I used to analyze the survey and used to present that survey analysis to my IS boss. And that's how my analysis journey was started. But I was looking for some formal, a way of understanding the analysis. I wanted to get the full knowledge, full strength, we can say, of analysis, full understanding of analysis and data science. So that is why I was looking for switching data science and analysis. Uh, Basically, my interest was working on analysis, survey parts. That time I came to know that I need some more knowledge on this. I have to explore this data science so that I can use, technology and analysis in full strength. Uh, so from there, the interest to do, data science and AI, data science analytics comes in my mind. Uh, and of course, the one motive was to get the some good job where I was working as a contractual there. As I told you, I used to do the survey analysis and used to present my thoughts on that analysis to my boss. And it was very useful in designing some policy and making decisions also my boss. But somewhere I was aware that I have to look for something where I'm lacking in doing analysis. And for that purpose, I was looking for some organizations who can help me in, taking out the strength, analytical strength from me. So for that, I was searching on internet and various media, and then I used to get various advertisement. Various people used to contact me from their organization to do the data science and analysis course. But when I used to look at syllabus, I used to, in my somewhere in my mind, it used to come like either they will fulfill their promises, like whatever they have committed in their syllabus, either they will complete on time, or either they will deliver those things or not. I was not sure. So while looking for the data analysis course, all of a sudden one day I found this inside advertisement on my mobile. And from there, I just went for registration, and there was like some live workshop was conducted, about to be conducted. And then I did registration, and because it was free, so I thought, why not to try once? Why not to go and attend this workshop? And now, because it was on Saturday and Sunday, so being a holiday on that day, I choose to attend that live workshop. So there, Mano and Suchit both were there, who were explaining the course, the structure of course, syllabus, and the guidance to the career transition. And that was really helpful. That was really impressive. And that gives clarity how this course will help me in getting the data analysis full-time role, and how this will really strengthen you in the field of data science. So there, this live, what we say, uh, workshop was very interesting, very impressive, motivational, and that motivated me to participate and get enrolled into INSEAD. And after that, I enrolled online to the INSEAD. And if you ask me, so why INSEAD only, so I can answer. These were the really first initial effort from the INSEAD, their way of explanation, motivating the candidate and showing them vision clearly how INSEAD will help was very helpful for me. That's why I choose INSEAD to go for data science program. So there were basically 3 rounds. First was like HR telephonically took my rounds, first initial level round, where she asked me about me and she asked me my experience and where I was working. And she definitely asked me how much experience I have in analytics. So I told her that not full time, but still I do partially. I have done analysis in my previous 2 organizations. And currently I'm doing course from INSEAD. Then later there were 2 rounds were technical rounds in my Kantar Worldpanel. Question was based on tools, technology, knowledge, which I have. And then they, because it is totally market research based company, so they asked me statistical knowledge. And then because they are also exploring AI and advanced technology for their research and analysis, they asked me to a few questions based on machine learning as well. But those machine learning question was not only fundamental or we can say foundational machine learning knowledge, but they were asking about the algorithm and have you applied by any chance these algorithm in your current work profile. Moreover, it was technical, verbal, and online interview, but it involves a lot of practical use cases. If you have done, then it will be very helpful to you. For free question, I was not sure. Means, they asked me free questions where I was not sure, so I promised them that of course I will fulfill. I will work on those topics and I will cover up. Means I promised them that I will definitely work on this these points and I will strengthen myself. Then like there was case study where interviewer explained with the case study with few points. And I missed few points, but again they repeated and supported me with those points because they just wanted to taste that how I handle critical situations, and they wanted to know my thinking way and handling the critical situation. That's why they just repeated these situations, case studies, and they wanted to test my technical and critical situations as well. Overall, we can say it was not quite technical, but not technical, but critical thinking. They were testing for technical testing, technical thinking, team building, and management skills also. Okay, one more thing I want to add is the difference in this interview from any other interview, if you ask me. So that was question they were asking me based on whatever I have responded in their first questions. Means it was like if I'm asking, if they are asking something, what is statistics? So next question, if I'm answering something and on based on that answer, they used to ask me next question. Of course, INSEAD program helps me in various way in achieving my this career transition. If I take few of them, the first thing is faculty from the INSEAD. We can say they are highly qualified faculty with their highly qualified, highly experienced faculty, and INSEAD have their own portal where the lots of learning resources are available, which can be utilized to learn, to explore your learning. And third thing I can say is the lecture schedule being on weekend means as we are working professional, we don't have time, to attend the lecture on daily basis. So being this lecture on weekend for not more than 2 hours, that was really helpful in you know planning your lectures and attending in your weekends. Uh, so by that way, you can focus on the lecture wholly. Okay, so in my career transition, uh, this new job was this my uh, current job uh, was via inside only. So I applied for the job, and hence I'm thankful to Suchit for giving my reference, reference resume to Miss Jigna Thakur, who is later on I came to know that she is my boss. So I'm really thankful to Suchit. Only learning is not sufficient. If you want to be successful in data science field, you have to explore not only technologies and tools, because see, I was having the knowledge of Power BI, Excel, but we all know until and unless we work on data from scratch. What I mean is that until and unless you make your hand dirty with the data, you won't be able to understand the data fully. So everyone, those who are interested in this data science field, have to make their hand dirty with the data processing and all. So and second thing I would advise is that because you're going for data science, you must make some company target whose daily work is on data. They work based on something data handling and things. So why I choose this Kantar? Because I this Kantar is one of the best analytic market research company in the world, if you see, and they work on daily basis on the continuous data, continuous. If you see their process and every work is on data. So I advise you choose your company wisely so that your learning comes in practical way. Thank you.